Think about the last thing you bought, maybe a new phone or a comfy pair of shoes. Ever wonder about its journey to you? This is the story of the supply chain, a complex, interconnected web that brings products to life and to your doorstep. Understanding this journey isn't just interesting, it reveals the hidden effort behind every purchase. Every product starts with raw materials. These could be anything: crude oil for plastics, trees for paper, or minerals for electronics. Sourcing involves finding these materials, often globally, ensuring their quality and sustainability. Take coffee beans, for example. Farmers in Colombia carefully cultivate and harvest the beans, forming the first link in a global chain. Next comes manufacturing. Raw materials transform into finished products. This stage involves factories, skilled workers, and complex machinery. Consider your smartphone. Processors made in Taiwan, screens from Japan, and batteries from China all come together. Each component has its own intricate journey before becoming part of the final product. Once manufactured, products begin their journey through a complex network of transportation. Trucks, trains, ships, and airplanes become the arteries of global commerce. This stage, known as logistics, ensures products move efficiently across continents and oceans. Sophisticated tracking systems monitor their every move, like a GPS for your package. Products often need a temporary home before reaching you, a warehouse. These massive structures act as distribution hubs, storing goods and ensuring their availability. Imagine Amazon's fulfillment centers, bustling hives of activity where robots and humans work side by side to process orders with lightning speed. The last leg of the journey, from the warehouse to your doorstep, is called the last mile. This is often the most expensive and complex part. Delivery drivers, postal services, and even drones play a crucial role in ensuring you receive your order on time and in perfect condition. A friendly smile from the delivery person can leave a lasting positive impression.